All right, Chef David Rose back at you again. We're about to put the finishing touches on our lemon ricotta pancakes with blueberry bourbon maple syrup. I know, right? So good. So we're about to make some pancakes. Quick pro tip for me personally, I like a nice uniform shape, a nice uniform size when it comes to my pancakes. So what I do is once I'm done whipping the batter together, I put it into a measuring cup. The spout right there is gonna give it a nice steady stream, so each pancake will have a nice circular shape to it. Write it down, it works. Okay, so when it comes to griddling your pancakes, about 350, 360 is a good temperature range where you'll get a nice golden brown on the pancakes, but you're not burning it and you're also cooking it throughout. As far as your type of oil or fat you're using with this, I prefer to use butter because butter gets that nice nuttiness, that nice mouthfeel on the pancakes when you bite into it, and just give it that nice crust. So what I do first is take my unsalted butter and hit it on the griddle, like so. Yeah. Pretty easy so far, right? Butter on the griddle. And not too much, it's a nice thin layer. Okay? And from there, before I just start dropping massive amounts of pancakes, you want to always have a test pancake first. And that test pancake will let you know if the griddle's too cool, if it's too cold, simply by the color and smell. If it's burning, obviously it's too hot. But that color and doneness of the pancake, so we're gonna start out with one pancake first to see if we're in the temperature area we wanna be at. Fingers crossed, guys, I'm going it. All right. Now, what you're looking for when you're doing the pancakes is a nice release of the batter when it kind of comes out and it kind of, starts to tighten up and form into a pancake. What you're looking for as far as doneness is you'll see the air bubbles start to pop up all over the top of the pancake. At that point, you'll know it's time to flip. So, we wait. Let it do its thing. Right now, everything looks good so far. Everything's sizzling, bubbles are starting to pop up. I think we're looking pretty good right now, guys. Well, only time will tell the tale. Let it just do its thing, leave it alone, let the pancake do its thing, and you'll know when the air bubbles start to pop up all around. You'll know at that point that the pancake is starting to get browned and starting to cook throughout. So once that starts to happen, that's when you flip it. If you want, you can peek down, see underneath there. So at this point, we're looking pretty good. You want to kind of use the spatula. All right. Oh, that looks good. It does not get any better than that. So right now we know that the temperature that we're looking for is solid. It's nice and golden brown. Not too dark, not too light. I don't know if any flapjacks get any better than that. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of these pancakes off right now. Stay tuned for the final plate up. And somebody, I don't know who, some lucky person will be tasting these pancakes today. I don't know who it is, but stay tuned for the Chef Series and you'll find out.